Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get rotting flesh in 7 days. This can be used for things like fort bites, or farm plots, or hobo stews, and many other things. So first of all, you want to make sure you've got some kind of a knife and just go around the city and find these kind of body bags which you can slice and get some rotting flesh. Also, you want to go around these corpses that can be found on the road, like this one, and you can just go ahead and chop them. Also, check out some hospitals, because there are going to be many of these body bags in there, and also check out cemeteries, like this, and here you should also find some body bags, and also these coffins and graves, which you can extract the rotting flesh from. So this is pretty much all. How to get it, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.